Beautiful. This is the flow into the plug for CloudAssess now. So how did you sort of pick your digital tool to sort of address those challenges about assessing and training in the flow of work?
So there's probably a couple of things we looked at. We did look at a few different tools in our research, and we were sort of looking at a tool that was going to be easy to use and get good adoption with our workforce, because we have quite a range of team members in our workforce of different levels of capability in that IT space. So we wanted to look at something that was sort of quite simple, had a good user interface, and we also are pretty keen on local support for that platform as well. Had experience in both of those spaces. And that's sort of hence why we sort of looked at CloudAssess, and our whole base to mastery is built, a framework is built on 5 levels.
Yep.
And those 5 levels we've mapped as best as we can to AQF qualification. So that's a bit of the compelling why for our people as well. It's not only we're building mastery and going to improve operations and take frustrations out of your work, but potentially you could get a recognised qualification.
Yep.
And CloudAssess obviously was built originally, I believe, for an RTO purpose, so it really does fit nicely into that piece as well.
Yes, yes. It comes very much from the deskless workers requirements, so manufacturing, mining, aged care, healthcare.